Absolutely. Let's go through some common English teacher job interview questions and sample answers. 1. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. I'm a passionate and dedicated English teacher with 5 years of experience teaching at both the high school and middle school levels. I hold a bachelor's degree in English literature and a teaching certification. My teaching philosophy emphasizes student engagement, critical thinking, and fostering a love for literature.
2. Why do you want to work as an English teacher in our school?
I've heard wonderful things about your school's commitment to academic excellence and the supportive community it fosters. I'm particularly drawn to the innovative teaching methods utilized here, and I believe my skills and experiences align well with the school's mission of nurturing well-rounded students.
3. How do you incorporate technology into your teaching?
I'm a strong advocate for integrating technology into the classroom to enhance learning experiences. For instance, I often use interactive whiteboards, educational apps, and online resources to make lessons more engaging and accessible to students. Additionally, I encourage students to use technology for research, collaboration, and creative projects.
4. Describe a challenging classroom situation you've encountered and how you handled it.
In one instance, I had a student who was struggling with reading comprehension due to a learning disability. Instead of simply providing extra assistance, I collaborated with the school's special education team to develop a personalized learning plan for the student. This included providing modified assignments, implementing multisensory teaching strategies, and offering additional support outside of class. Over time, the student's confidence and academic performance improved significantly.
5. How do you differentiate instruction to meet the needs of diverse learners?
I believe in creating inclusive learning environments where all students feel valued and supported. To accommodate diverse learning styles and abilities, I employ a variety of instructional strategies such as cooperative learning, peer tutoring, and hands-on activities. I also regularly assess student progress and adjust my teaching methods accordingly to ensure that each student is challenged and making meaningful progress.
6. What is your approach to classroom management?
I believe in establishing clear expectations from the beginning of the school year and maintaining consistent routines to promote a positive learning environment. I prioritize building strong relationships with my students based on mutual respect and trust. Additionally, I use proactive strategies such as positive reinforcement, praise, and student-centered discipline techniques to address behavioral issues effectively while fostering a sense of responsibility and accountability.
7. How do you assess student progress and proficiency in English?
Assessment is an integral part of the learning process, and I use a variety of formative and summative assessment methods to gauge student understanding and proficiency. These may include quizzes, tests, essays, presentations, projects, and portfolio assessments. I also value student self-assessment and peer feedback as valuable tools for promoting reflective learning and growth.
Remember to personalize your answers based on your own experiences and philosophy as an English teacher. Good luck with your job search.